I tell you, say if we go somewhere, make it leave me for front.
What will be the meaning of all this one now?
Hey, come. Maka, tell you something.
Wait till now fight? Huh? You want to tell me something? You go the shook finger for my lid. Shook this Ruko hold for hand and a finger.
You know, second, they go bite me. Eh?
You might not save your hand near to bite the hungry meat.
Okay, let me tell you something. You know, say today at the interview.
Which interview?
For the tenant.
But wait first, that touch will touch my chest, make me have revenge.
Me now 2 times I touch her.
Which?
Now 2 times, man.
Wait. I'm going to increase my
now 2 times I touch her chest. See, take it easy, man. No happening. No happening. What is this now? Allow me to touch the second time.
You touch again, no, I touch. I touch. Touch. It don't do. Why you stop me? What did make you stop me?
Okay. Today in the interview, I know your eye never say woman's make it live and go. Wallahi.
I don't tell you anytime I see your finger to bite the hungry meat.
To bite my finger, the hungry meat? Yes. You know, bite my finger. Now, him I take chopping food.
No, but why they take and point me? I be food.
To, you know, say today in the interview, then Allah, if you see women for the interview, keep quiet. Let me do the interview. Kanajina, if you see months, come back with me. Interview the months. I will interview 3 people. Okay, you interview 1. Come on, don't interrupt me. Mommy. Because I know you.
If woman did that interview, now me go interview.
Okay, we shall see.
You go there.
I go disgrace you, come on.
Hey, this is your trouser. One person know they see.
Wallahi,
now today people go know the color of your trouser. Today like this, people go know the color of your trouser. Even if they wear them at all.
So then Allah won't do interview. We are the first people to come.
And now,
why you go come to fight me?
So you tell me, you tell me, say, you tell me, say, they like woman. So me will like woman, make an interview woman. You don't like woman, you go interview man.
Me the caretaker.
Co-caretaker. Combined caretaker.
Okay, we double
caretaker.
I can say. I know the son, not touch me.
Because we can go marry her, but me ask to me, of course. And we go interview. No, they go. Not